Good morning, 60 Gang. It's your boy Doug out here with Monroe Appliance Repair. And I'd like to thank you all for watching my videos and supporting me on my YouTube page. And if you're new to the page, please make sure you click the like button, and click the notification bell for all, and also subscribe. I can appreciate all the help. Today I've got an LG refrigerator that one of my customers from Facebook said he has an ice maker issue, and so we're going to go in here and take a look at his LG, and I'm gonna take you guys with me, videotape what's going on. Remember, if you live in the Atlanta area, I cover the entire Atlanta area and surrounding areas. Call me for the best prices in appliance repair in town. 762-444-2168. Ask for Doug. That's Monroe Appliance Repair. Remember, I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, X, and who else we're missing? TikTok. So we're going to go ahead and look at his LG refrigerator, and I'm taking you with me. So y'all ready? Let's go. I actually complained to them about that, about the gasket, because I went through trouble changing the gasket.
I figured there's something going on, so.
They told me to get in line. They knew about it and told me to put the gasket on, made some money off the gasket, and then they left me spinning in the wind. They know they have a problem. They've since changed it, but there's nothing to do about it.
You know, I love it otherwise. I got friends of mine that have bought newer ones. And
how you change the screen?
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead, you saying?
I was going to say, I've got friends who have bought some brand new ones, and they're the same size, but they don't store as much.
Mm-mm. The whole idea is to keep you in the store.
Yeah.
How they do that? Cheap material and short life. And there's no brand better than another, because once one do it, they all do it. But I would say that Samsung has improved customer service and LG has not. If you would have called LG, they would have wanted $650 just to come out here.
Can you tell what model, what year this is?
I sure can. Give me a minute. They would have charged you $650 to come out here. 2011. You are expired as of 2018.
Okay.
So you're a babysitter now.
Yeah.
Yeah, they would have charged you $650. No love at all. Samsung does a better job of customer service now. How's everything else?
I guess I'm trying to think. Yeah, I guess okay.
I ain't seen you since what, 2022?
Yeah, I think it was 2 years ago.
I gotta wait. Yeah, so when it produces crop up to here, off, down to here, back on, and just you gotta keep your eye on it and try to keep this clean.
Yeah.
You can tell there's water all in there. That's what the problem is. And when I had them send me one, they send me the same thing. So what are we doing? Nothing. not really water back here. The water's in between in here. That's where the problem starts. It's actually, if this was real, it feels like synthetic rubber. It doesn't feel like a gasket, you know? And it's just accumulating water right there.
Any suggestions to either wipe it down?
No, I don't think of anything that would help. Other than keep your eye on it. You know there's a problem, we have to babysit it. They made it as a feature when they had problems with it being in there. Then they made another problem when they brought it out here because it puts it close to the room temperature. So they eliminated one problem, created another. And then a lot of times the guys that design this stuff don't be in the field. They're just sitting behind the cubicle on the computer designing it, not thinking about what ifs. And then we try to give them the feedback they give us the finger, you know? And see how I'm going around the edges, cleaning, trying to seal out the moisture. You can do exactly what I'm doing, keep it clean. Everywhere this gasket goes. And I had once thought silicone, does silicone spray repel water? No? Am I wrong? What do you think?
Wait, say that again?
Silicone spray, does it repel water?
I don't know.
That's the only thing I can come up with. Spray the gasket with silicone.
You're talking about just that outer effect, right?
Yeah, this gasket only.
I don't think that would be, because
Nope.
it's saying that it's best used to help lubricate the spaces.
But it doesn't repel.
Yeah. So that would have probably the opposite effect, yeah.
I need a bowl.
A what?
A bowl, a bucket. To take some ice out.
Yeah, okay. You want just a big bowl?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take some ice out. Freezer temperature -1. Do you have a swimming pool or lake, anything like that? Fish aquarium?
No. I had it at 0, and then I don't know. I just switched that to -1.
Okay, it's not coming.
Yeah.
Because it looks a little too cold.
Yeah, I can put it at 0.
Take it back to 0. If the ice cubes are not moving, that's bad news.
Okay.
Still got a little bit. Almost. Still good.
Yeah. Yeah, let's keep one of these. So it's just frozen over inside? Or?
Yeah, small hole. Once you put the bucket in,
Right here?
yeah, it begins to grow inward.
Right, where's the hole?
Right there.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And you want to make sure you keep that clean of calcium from the water department too, because that'll send hot air up there and it'll start to drip out the front. I'm going to show you that in just a minute, just one more time. So stand where I just stood.
Okay.
And what you're going to see is you're going to see my hand come up there and pull it back. You see how it moves?
Yep.
Then you want to take a nice paper towel with
And
some
dry
bleach
that.
and vinegar and clean that off.
Okay.
Takes the calcium off. You got some bleach?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and clean that now. Because that's all the hot air needs is that little crack, and then it starts dripping. Down like this. Now we clean up.
Here, you need a paper
A
towel.
little paper towels.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, the calcium that's in the water tends to build up, and that little gap is all hot air needs to come through, and then the bucket sitting right there, it drips. There's no doubt.
What other appliances do you work on?
All the appliances.
All of them?
Yes.
Hopefully I don't need you. I've got a...
Come on, man, break some.
I do have a LG washer dryer, but no issues. But
No issues?
No.
Yeah, I'm with LG. They don't like me telling you.
Tell you what, while you're here, I will have a question. Is there I don't know how to clean the washing machine. Is there an easy way to clean the inside of the washing machine?
Yes. Got half of it right there, the bleach.
Okay.
The other half is vinegar.
Okay.
Take a half a cup of both of them together. Wait till it goes into agitation. Pause, unlock, open, throw it in the top, and resume. And that lifts all the old soap scum off of the tub, in the tub, out of the tub, and the hoses.
Okay.
Yeah. Instead of buying the $15.
So it's Clorox and vinegar?
Yes.
Okay.
And you can't be in there after it starts agitation because you will start crying and your nose will run.
So do I do it with a full load of...
No clothes.
All right. So just run an empty
You
cycle.
come in there, I'm gonna clean my washer.
Okay.
Take the clothes out, take a half a cup of bleach and a half a cup of vinegar.
Okay.
Push heavy duty, or it may
Yeah,
be, it may be a clean mode. Push either one of those, and wait until it's
Right.
that way the water's in the tub. Hit pause and wait for the door to go click. It's an automatic
Right.
click. Open it, then put the half cup.
All right. So don't put it in the thing that pulls out. Just put it in the tub itself.
You can put it in there, but I prefer to put it in the tub itself.
Directly in the tub.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then leave the room.
Okay.
It's
And then just let it run the rest of the cycle?
yeah.
Okay.
It works, and it's cheap because the cleaner itself costs $15-16 when you can just use bleach and vinegar and get the same results. It just makes them nice.
Yeah. Like I said, I turned it off, and I'm like, it took a while to start making the ice, but once it got going, filled up I turned it off Sunday night for a while, and then Monday morning I had a few cubes of ice, but it immediately stuck Monday, on the bottom. So that never really.
Once it started, it grows.
Yeah.
So you got to keep it clean like you see me do. Use the bleach to keep the flapper free of calcium. And just keep your eye on that bucket when to switch it off and on.
Yeah.
Because auto shut off, in my opinion, don't exist. And once it gets past that point, now you're growing from the back wall down.
Okay.
And you expired, so they don't care.
What do you like about Samsung better than LG?
Customer service.
Okay.
They know they got a problem, but now they jump to it. They don't give you a lot of hoops to jump through like LG, and they don't have an outrageous service call fee like LG.
I've got a friend who's building a house, so he's gonna, and I think the refrigerator in his old house he bought 5 years ago was an LG, but he wasn't crazy about it. It's one of those with the glass door and see-through door or whatever. And he said that storage in it is just not great.
The who?
The storage, because the glass door, it takes up.
The door that turns on like a TV screen?
Yeah, it takes up a lot more space than you expect.
Actually, they're doing the same thing. All they're doing is changing this door. Same setup. So if he's got a unit that comes without the door, they're just taking this off.
Yeah.
Putting on there. You get the same thing. That's how they sell the product. The problem is when that screen locks up, you have to change the whole door. The whole door. And that is a nice piece of change.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, walk a little closer. Let me show you something.
Okay.
You want to keep your eye on the cracks in here.
Okay.
Make sure there's no debris, so you can get a nice seal.
Okay.
This is a better gasket. See, this is the gasket they should have used with the magnet. See the difference?
Yeah.
Keep that nice and clean. Look at this one. Same one. This is what they should have used. And then that problem wouldn't exist. But they don't listen to us. See, that debris would have happened is that keep that from pulling. That's a magnet. And when debris gets in it stays like that and it comes in.
I got you.
And they went through all the trouble of putting it on the doors. But when they got to this ice maker, see, there it is again. See? Just do exactly what you see me doing. Just keep the eye on you.
Okay.
Because you're now a babysitter. Everywhere the magnet goes, you go. See, that's a magnet all down here. See it right there?
Yeah. All right.
Now we put the bucket back. Ice maker works. Okay, so I showed you the flapper.
Yep. Keep that clean.
Yeah, keep that clean. Keep the eye on the growth. Move the bucket too.
Yep.
And if the ice cubes are not moving, you are too cold. As far as the settings. In, out,
Yep.
in, off, on.
So when it goes over this line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And when it comes up here,
Yep.
off.
Okay.
All right. Any questions?
I think I got it.
All right.
And then half a cup of Clorox, half a cup of vinegar.
To clean the washing
Yeah.
machine. And you should be just fine. And use your judgment. The moment you smell an odor or the moment you see any grayness, clean.
Okay.
This is your boy Doug, 60 Gang, fixing an LG ice maker. And you guys have a blessed day, and I'm out.